There are several convenient ways developed for you to create a timesheet. First, you can use the timesheet block in the dashboard and select a timesheet for the period that you haven't yet submitted by clicking the Create button. The second option, you can create a timesheet by clicking on Timesheet in the menu on the left and choosing the Add Timesheet tab. The third option is to click on the My Due Timesheet tab, where you can see a list of all due timesheets. Let's create a timesheet together using the Add Timesheet tab. Choose the contract the timesheet will be related to and also specify the time period for which you want to create the timesheet. To mark the days you worked, simply click on the circle and that day will be marked as a full work day. The circle will be highlighted in green. For example, in our case, we've selected the 1st and 2nd of August as full working days. To add a leave, you can click on Mark Absent and a pop-up window will appear where you can mark an absence. Select the start day of the leave absence. Choose the end date of the leave absence. If you want to mark not a full day but just for a half day or second half day, you can click on the circle under first half day or second half day, and you will see that not the whole day but only half a day is marked. For example, let's mark only a half day of leave in the first half. Also, you need to indicate whether this leave should be billable or non-billable. You can also specify a reason for taking the leave. You also have the option to attach a supporting document. For example, for sick leave, you can attach a medical certificate. Click the Submit button. As you can see in the example, August 3rd is now half highlighted in green, indicating a half day's leave has been taken. For your convenience, you can also add leave using the Add Leave button. Let's mark the 4th of August as a full working day. You also have the option to add additional working hours. For instance, if you worked overtime on weekends. For this, click on the Add More Pay Head button and an additional column will be added. Choose overtime from the drop-down menu. Let's mark 2 hours of overtime on Saturday, the 5th of August. Let's save your timesheet in drafts. To review the information filled out in the timesheet, simply scroll down to where you can view the timesheet summary. Here you will see the total number of worked days and hours, including overtime, as well as the calculated payment amount according to your rate set in the contract.